Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher, and today I've got another Crochet Society box to open up, so cue lots of rustling. So we have yet another spacey themed box. I really like the space theme. I was a bit obsessed with space and astronomy and astrology when I was little, so this is totally me. I'm really looking forward to seeing what is inside. So this is box 29. Yeah, 29. Out of this world. So dark blue tissue paper again inside. Sparkly. Oh, so this is called Nebula DK. Oh, it's soft. It's soft. It's got like a halo to it. It must have some sort of mohair. It is 5% mohair, 15% wool, 5% metallic polyester and 75% acrylic. This one is called Carina. It is 100 grams, which is 550 meters. It's kind of like a grey green. It's so sparkly. So that's one ball, but we get two balls. And this time they're two different colours. You can see that, right? That one's not sparkly, but it's still just as amazing. I'm going to put this box down. So they are both Nebula DK. They are so fluffy and soft. So the only difference is that one has the 5% metallic polyester and the other one doesn't. But you can definitely see the mohair in the dark one over the lighter one. This one is called Orion and this one is Carina. I think I'm in love with this box already. And I've only looked at the yarn. Let's have a look at what else is inside. So I'm just going to get everything out because it's in this neat little bundle. So we have a little Saturn planet stitch marker. I love the planets. This is awesome. Oh, is that beads? I think this is beads. I don't want to get them out in case I drop them all. Oh, they're in a little bag as well. They are beads. They are seed beads. So they are, oh, like size 8s. No, not 8s. They're size 11 seed beads. Let's take this back up before I lose them all. There is our book, as always. This is a hook roll, and it's got planets on it. So I'm going to have to take this off to see inside, because I believe the hook is in the roll, because I can feel something in here. So got pink cord. It is pink inside. There's a ruler in here. What is this for? It looks like a ruler, but there's no markings on it. Oh wait, is that for broomstick crochet? Broomstick lace? And we've got quite a small hook this time. This is a 3mm. And it's got the same colours as the planet. I'm going to leave that in the hook for now, in the roll. So let's roll this back up and let's see what is in the book this month. So on the front we've got this really pretty lacy scarf. That is gorgeous. So it says, welcome to your cute and cosmic Crochet Society box. This month we explore the outer reaches of the nebula with this out of this world box. For such a special box we've included a very special yarn in the form of Bella Coco Nebula DK with touches of glitter and a magical marbled effect or mild effect. This is a yarn that you will go to the end of the universe for. So we have Casapia wrap, Aquarius shrug, and starlight bracelets. Oh, there's a chat with Anna Nickipirowicz. I love Anna. Absolutely love Anna. And it is broomstick lace. So let's have a look. So we've got tea and chat with Anna. I do love this. Mosaic crochet. I may have to join that. So the Casapia wrap is by Anna, and it uses both balls of yarn to create this really pretty pattern. Anna is Anna Nickipirowicz at on Instagram. Then we've got an image that shows us everything in the box, which is there. We've got a guide on beaded crochet, because I think the bracelets in here are the ones that use the beads. So they are called Starlight bracelets. They are by Kelly Wilson Moore, who is Love Dotty Crochet over on Instagram. They look really simple but effective. So I'm going to have to try and make some of those. And there's a tutorial in here for how to do broomstick lace crochet. So using that little ruler device to create a lace effect. And then there is the Aquarius shrug. Now the Aquarius shrug is by Oriana Rossi, who is Oriana Crafts on Instagram. Now I'm not sure that would fit me. I don't know if there's different sizes. There's 3 different sizes, small, medium and large. So I'll have to look at the sizes for that. There's no page in here for other people's makes. I think because we've got lots of tutorials in here this time and how-to guides, which are really helpful. There's no other people's makes, but there is the next box for Crochet Society, which has got this Scandi print on the front, and like stenciled Christmas images. So I think I might have to do the scarf. I think the scarf might be my favourite. It's nice and long, it's big, and anyone can wear it. So yeah. So that is this month's Crochet Society box. I am in love with this yarn though. I might not do the scarf in this yarn. I might find something different to do it with. But I still love it. So let's show you everything in the box. I'm more impressed with the colours in this one. So I think the last spacey one we had, they were kind of muted and neutral colours, whereas to me space is your deep blues and deep greens and almost midnight black, effectively, with some flecks of sparkle trapped in there as well. So this is definitely more up my alley than the last sort of spacey themed box. But yeah, I love this box. I can't say anything else really. And I think I will actually use this hook roll as well. I wasn't overly keen on the last one we got, which was with the, it's like a beach theme I think we had. But I'm more into my space, so yeah, I really enjoy this box. And I've not tried broomstick lace before, so that will be fun to do. Yeah. So, I don't really know what else to say on that. I think my grin on my face says it all, really. If you are interested in getting your own subscription to Crochet Society, I'll put all the details down below. As always, I am not affiliated or associated or sponsored or anything like that, or endorsed by Crochet Society. I just buy the boxes and like to share my reaction with you guys as to what is inside each box each month. So last month we had an issue with Hermes in that my box was a little bit damaged. This one seems to be intact. There was a small hole in the packaging, but all seems well, so we're good here. And yeah, I'll leave all the details down below for you. There are other boxes out there available. You don't have to get just a Crochet Society one. If you're a knitter, there is Knit Crate. There is a new crochet one called Curate. There's also a papercraft one. There is a stationery one. There's plenty of subscription boxes out there for everybody. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again next month for another box. Take care. Bye.